friends, or hello to my dear students. As I have already told you that tenses are must are main in spoken English. If you want to speak in English, you just start to learn tense. Tense is the base of spoken English. A Hindi medium student learned tense from class 9th and it started in English medium in ISC board or CBSE or ICSE board from class 3rd or 4th. That's why there is a great difference between the Hindi medium students and English medium students. They want to speak in English, but they can't. Why? Because of the difference of syllabus. And English medium student speak fluently. Why? Due to their habits. If a Hindi medium student start learning from class 9th, it's quite difficult to understand. Although it's a mature age, they can learn fast and they can learn and they learn also. But they can't speak. Why? Due to hesitation only. They hesitate because in class 9th it means they are uh, at the age of 14 to 16 and it's a teenage and they want to speak in English but they hesitate because of their fluency in their habits. It's not include because of atmosphere, but it's quite very easy. I assure you friends, you all can speak in English. I too belong to Hindi medium student. They can speak English and they use the correct grammar when they speak in English. They use very effective grammatical method. They never go wrong in grammatically. Why? Because first they learn, then they speak. But in ICSE board or CBSE board, they learn and speak, they learn and speak. And when any subject or anything become your habit, there will be no hesitation. Only a Hindi medium student has to remove his hesitation. Just forget whatever you are going to speak. You do need not to think anything what the other will think. You just start. Don't bother. Don't bother about helping verb, about tenses, about anything. But your way of pronunciation and the main second thing is your vocab, the word power. If you having good word power, nobody can't you stop to speak in English. Okay friends, let's start from tense, the first chapter of spoken English. As we all knows that there are three type of tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense. We have only three type of tenses. प्रेजेंट, जिसको हम कहते हैं हिंदी में वर्तमान। जैसे कि हम कहें वह जाता है, राम खाता है, हम स्कूल जाते हैं, लड़कियां गाना गाती हैं, वो अच्छा खाता है। एंड यू कैन से, जब हम एक लाइन में इसको कहते हैं कि जब इन अ सेंटेंस, यू कैन से इन हिंदी, जब वाक्य के अंत में, इन द लास्ट ऑफ सेंटेंस, इन हिंदी ता ती ते विद है हूँ है के साथ आता है तो इसे प्रेजेंट टेंस हम कहते हैं। एंड द सेकेंड थिंग, योर पास्ट टेंस। ओके, पास्ट टेंस, वह जाता था, वे गाना गाते थे, हम तो स्कूल जाते थे। ओके, दिस टाइप ऑफ टेंसेस, राम सोता था ती थी ते थे, ऐसे शब्द आते हैं तो ये आपका पास्ट टेंस में हो जाए। थर्ड इज योर फ्यूचर टेंस। ओके, फ्यूचर टेंस, वह गाना गाएगी, हम खाना खाएंगे, बच्चे स्कूल जाएंगे। ओके, अध्यापिकाएं आज पढ़ाएंगी, हम उत्सव मनाएंगे। ये हमारा होता है फ्यूचर टेंस। ओके फ्रेंड्स, प्रेजेंट टेंस, पास्ट टेंस, फ्यूचर टेंस। वी हैव 3 टाइप ऑफ टेंसेस। डोंट फॉरगेट प्रेजेंट, पास्ट, फ्यूचर। ओके, ये आपको पता है, पर हम इसका उपयोग अपने बोलने चालने में कैसे करें? क्या सहायक वर्ब हम इस्तेमाल करेंगे? क्या मेन वर्ब की फॉर्म लगेंगी? ये सब हमें जानना है। नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम फर्स्ट टेंस, दैट इज प्रेजेंट टेंस। ओके फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपको वर्बली टीच कर रही हूँ, ध्यान से सुनिएगा। प्रेजेंट टेंस, द फर्स्ट टेंस इज योर प्रेजेंट टेंस। इट हैज़ 4 ब्रांचेस। ओके, इसकी 4 शाखाएं होती हैं। फर्स्ट इज योर प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट, प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, एंड fourth one is your present perfect continuous. Again, we remember present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. Okay friends, ये 4 टेंस हमको पढ़ने होंगे प्रेजेंट टेंस के अंदर। In the same way, in past tense, there will be also the second tense. Your past tense, it also have 4 branches: past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous. Okay, and future indefinite, it also has 4 branches: future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect, future perfect continuous. It means 4 plus 4 plus 4, total 12 tenses you have to study. Okay friends, 12 tenses. In one day, one tense you have to study, but you need daily practice. Okay, if you do translation daily, one passage or one page regarding to tense, it will make you perfect. Now come present indefinite. हिंदी में मैं आपको समझाती हूँ। जब वाक्य के अंत में ता है, ती है, ते है आदि शब्द आते हैं तो वहां पर हम प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट शब्द टेंस का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। वाक्य के अंत में ता है, ती है, ते है, इसमें हमेशा वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म का उपयोग होता है। किसका होता है? वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म का उपयोग होता है और हेल्पिंग वर्ब का हम इस्तेमाल नहीं करते। राम जाता है, राम goes. The first form is your go, and according to your singular, with first form you have to add s or es. Okay, according to singular number. Got it? राम जाता है। सीता आम खाती है। सीता eats food. सीता is also a singular number. खाती है, खाना, eat. According to singular, eats. You have to use Sita eats. What eats? Anything she can eat. Here, Sita eats food. सीता खाना खाती है. ओके. मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ. मैं. I go to school. I go to school. Clear it? Got it? Any problem? You can comment me if you're having any problem. Today I am teaching you verbally. Next day I'll give you exercise. Okay? And you have to daily learn minimum 10 words. Try to have this in your habit. आप उठते जागते सोते जाते खाते any time you can learn 10 words. See around you, whatever the things you are watching, try to know what's the meaning of this in English. उसको जानने की कोशिश करिए कि इसकी इंग्लिश मीनिंग क्या होगी. अब आप उसको जब सोचेंगे, you will automatically find. Consult a dictionary. Have a good dictionary. Whatever the dictionary, I'll recommend you Bhargava's, Oxford, whatever you like. Start from dictionary, and very easy to find out the words from dictionary. Okay, word power. First thing, you have to increase word power. Second thing, I will tell you in my next video. Now, let's back. Present indefinite. Present indefinite. Sita goes, I go, children goes to school, I eat food, I sing a song, Sita watch movies, I wear shoes, birds fly in the sky, birds fly in the sky. It's very easy. मैं जाता हूँ, मैं खाता हूँ, सीता जाती है, बंदर पेड़ पे चढ़ते हैं, monkeys climb on tree. हम सिनेमा देखने जाते हैं, we goes to see cinema. हम सर्दियों में गर्म कपड़े पहनते हैं, we wear what? Warm clothes. We wear warm clothes in winter. Okay? Wear is your first form. Wear. A verb has three forms. Go, went, gone. Come, came, come. See, saw, seen. Okay? See, saw, seen.